Hey folks, welcome back to Selenium WebDriver series. In this video, let's talk about the difference between action and actions. So this is one of the most important interview question. So before we begin, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. So first, let's understand the difference between actions and then action. So for that, in the previous videos, if you have watched those videos, like we have performed certain mouse actions, correct? Like right click, double click, drag and drop, mouse hover, all these actions we have already performed. So if you have not watched those videos, you can watch it so you'll get the better understanding. So, first thing is, if you notice, first we created the actions object, correct? Using the actions class, we created the object of it, and after that, we were able to perform the action. Like there are multiple actions, correct? So if I just say act dot, so you can build click, okay, context click, double click. So there are a lot of methods, okay, with respect to the actions class. But to understand the difference, what we will do is first we will see, we had another way also to perform the context click. One is we use this build, okay, build dot perform. So build dot perform is, so if I just want to build a particular action and then perform the action, that is how you can perform build dot perform. So build is just to build an action, perform is to complete the action. Okay, so that is the difference between build and then perform. So now if we run this, you can see that we will be able to perform right click, context click. So we just launched the application and right clicked on this box. So we were able to click on that JavaScript alert. So that is what we are performing in this particular piece of code. So you notice that it worked perfectly fine. But now, suppose say you have series of actions. Okay, series of actions. In that case, how you can handle is you just want to build a particular action, okay, but you want to perform it later, not immediately. You need to complete the action later. So in that case, what we can just do is we can just call this build method first and create the action of it. Action, let's say click later, okay, is equal to, uh, we can first build and then keep it ready, but I want to perform this action later and import this action. Action is interface. Okay, actions is a class. Action is an interface. So now later you can click later dot perform. So this is one way. Okay, what we just did is we first build it and later we are trying to click on it. Now let's see. Yes, yes, it worked fine. Correct. So the major difference between actions and then action is actions is a class, okay, in that you have lot of other methods, correct, but action is something, it is an interface, okay, which you can use to store the particular action. Okay, so that is the major difference. So suppose say you have a lot of other sequence of actions to be performed, at that time also you can you can just keep on building it and later you can perform it. Suppose say you have one element one, okay, you can build and keep it, element one dot build, and next there is another element two dot build, element three dot build, and finally after that you can just perform the uh, click on it, or as and when how you want. So for example, mm, here we have Flipkart. Okay, here we have multiple elements. Okay, suppose if you hover on this, Okay, first is hover on the fashion, and then you can hover on the next element, that is women's footwear. And from this, you want to access some other option like women's slipper or women wedges, something like this. Okay, so after you perform, after you build three of the actions, okay, fashion, women footwear, and then women wedges. Okay, you can build these three, and finally at last you can perform action on it, that is click. Okay, so that is how it works. So here you can understand that actions is a class, action is a interface. Majorly actions is having different methods, okay, but action is used to store a particular action. Action is nothing but to build. You are trying to build a particular action. So that is how this difference between action and then actions is. So hope you now got to know the major difference between actions and then action. So don't forget, action is an interface, actions is a class. Okay, so hopefully you understood how actions and then action works, and then what is the major difference between them. If you have liked this video, please do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.